Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. This spring, HP introduced their game-changing all-in-one flatbed printer, the 64-inch HP Latex R530. Since then, HP has not been able to make printers fast enough to keep up with demand. HP has priced the R530 right and packed it full of features that can't be found in flatbeds that are twice the cost. Watch this video to learn all about the costs associated with the HP Latex R530. That's the printer purchase price, the trade-in promos, the consumable costs for inks and printheads, and how much to expect to pay for service contracts. Let's talk turkey. The new HP Latex R530 is bringing flatbed printing to shops where it was never before possible. This compact all-in-one printer brings incredible functionality, HP pixel control for vibrant colors and smooth gradients, the most opaque white ink in the industry with zero waste and removable white printheads, seamless switching between rigid and flexible media in under a minute, a compact footprint that fits through as small as 63-inch double doors, and it runs on single-phase 220-volt power. This printer is perfect for shops that want to eliminate the print and mount workflow and go direct to board without compromising on their roll-to-roll printing capabilities. The HP Latex R530 has so much to offer, but before you pull out your checkbook, let's look a little more closely at the costs associated with the R530 so that you can feel confident that you're making a good financial decision. If you're considering a Latex R530, it's important to understand all the costs, not just the sticker price. Today, we're going to break it all down for you, but let's start with that sticker price. The HP Latex R530 has a list price of $96,899 before any promos. This is the price that HP has set, so regardless of where you buy your R530, the price will be the same. This puts you in the driver's seat to work with the company that you feel most confident will support you and offer you the best experience. In order to get started printing, you're also going to need to order your first set of ink. HP requires that you purchase a full set of inks at the time of printer purchase. That full ink set has 9 cartridges at $342 each. We'll talk more about the ink in a minute, but this initial ink set comes in at a total cost of $3,078. HP does include a full set of print heads, so you will not be required to buy those with the printer. So for the R530 printer, a set of ink, and the set of print heads, your total out-the-door costs before promos comes to $99,977. This price includes freight, basic rigging, white glove delivery, and installation. Now, it's important to note that HP is always doing some kind of promotion. At the time of this recording, they're offering several different promos. They're offering either a $10,000 trade-in credit for customers trading in a qualifying flatbed printer, a $5,000 trade-in credit for trading in a solvent printer, a $4,000 trade-in credit for a latex printer trade-in. All of these trade-ins simply require the motherboard to be removed from the qualifying trade-in printer and returned to HP. These promos are always changing, so please reach out to us at itsupplies.com to make sure you are getting the full trade-in value for your old printer. One more thing to note on the printer purchase. The R530 comes with standard input and output tables included. However, if you're going to be printing on boards longer than 5 feet, you're going to need the extension tables. These are sold separately for $22,000 and extend the length to accommodate full 4x8 or even 5x10 boards. Make sure that you factor this into the budget if you'll be running longer boards. But again, call us, because right now HP is offering a promo for free extension tables if you aren't already taking advantage of one of the other promos. The printer purchase price is one key part of the costs, but there is much more to consider with regard to costs. To run the HP Latex R530, you're going to need 3 main consumables: inks, printheads, and the maintenance cartridge. Let's look at each of these costs. The Latex R530 uses the new HP 875 series inks in large 3-liter bulk ink boxes, which we discussed earlier. The R530 uses a 6-color ink set: CMYK, light cyan, light magenta, plus a white ink, an optimizer, and an overcoat channel. Each 3-liter ink box costs $342, and this comes in at a competitive per milliliter ink price of 11.4 cents. This is an incredible value when you factor in the 30% larger color gamut that these smooth HP Latex inks provide compared to competitive UV flatbed printers. The next costs to be aware of are for the print heads. As with all HP Latex printers, these print heads are a consumable that is meant to be replaced periodically. These heads have a list price of $204 each. The expected average life of the heads is 6 liters of ink fired for colored inks and 4 liters for white inks, making the cost per milliliter on the heads between 3 and 5 cents. These user-replaceable print heads can be swapped easily in about 10 minutes so that you can get back to printing with day one print head quality. The last consumable component to make sure that you factor in is the maintenance cartridge. The maintenance cartridge automates the print head maintenance, eliminating any manual cleanings and providing one easy consumable to replace the capping station, the fabric wiper, and the waste tank. The cost for the maintenance cartridge is $291.06, and this new generation cartridge lasts 50% longer than previous generations thanks to a longer cleaning cloth and improved ink collection system. That means the estimated lifespan on the maintenance cartridge is 20 to 25 liters of ink, or about 1 cent per milliliter fired. If you're doing the math at home, across inks, print heads, and maintenance cartridges, you should expect to spend about 17 cents per milliliter of ink that you run through the printer. The final piece of the puzzle is to know how many milliliters of ink you will expect to use on your prints. That depends on your application, but we usually estimate around 1.5 milliliters of ink per square foot of prints. So a good ballpark cost on the Latex R530 is about 25 cents in consumables for every square foot of media that you print. Keep in mind that your biggest cost is typically labor, so when you're printing on rigid boards with the R530, you're eliminating a lot of the labor costs associated with the mounting that you may currently be doing. For a more precise estimate of ink usage and costs, please let us run sample prints of your files on your media with our Latex R530 printer. Visit us at itsupplies.com/print samples or click the link in the description below to upload your file, and we'll send you the printed sample as well as the ink usage so you can know exactly how much the inks would cost for your products. The last cost that we want to cover today are service costs. Nobody likes thinking about their new printer breaking down, but it's a fact of life and one that you should be prepared for. The good news is that HP includes 1 year of full parts and labor coverage on your new HP Latex R530. After that, it's important to know the costs for the service contracts. HP sells these with different coverage options and terms, and we can't really go into detail on all of the different options in this video. For the Latex R530 full coverage with parts and on-site labor, it's available for up to 5 years at a cost per year as low as $8,977. For an annual cost as low as $4,700, you can opt for a parts-only coverage with remote support. This may sound like a lot, but consider that this is the cost to replace just one print head in some of the competing UV flatbed printers. Because there are so many term length options and coverage choices, this really is a conversation that's best suited for an individual phone call with one of our knowledgeable sales reps. I hope this video has helped you know the costs to purchase, operate, and to maintain an HP Latex R530. Reach out today at itsupplies.com and let us help you place an order or schedule a demo. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of our knowledgeable sales reps. We'd love to hear from you and to help you evaluate your options. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.